Hello everybody, so in this video I'll be showing you how to make a bed. Let's start. So what you want to do is you want to create a plane, and this plane you want to size it up to like how big your bed you want it to be. Then what you want to do is you want E to extrude, and then you want to extrude it, and you want to press E again, then S to like bring it in, and then you want to make it to like a size, but make sure you check these corners that they look okay. What you want to do is you want to select both of these corners, all of this, and then you want to just make it like more like, you know, like this corner. Okay, so size it down a bit. Perfect, just the exact size. Then you want to do extrude it all the way down and check where it is, and then you want to put it there. Boom, you've made it. But now you're checking, oh, it doesn't look good. Yep, because that's more low poly. So what you want to do is you want to bevel. Bevel is pretty much like making it smoother. Okay, so then you want to make it like, let's say 5, and I'll make it like 8, let's say, and then shade smooth. Then once it's done, what you want to do is you want to create a mattress. I'm going to make it like a bit high poly, the mattress, because I want it to be more realistic. Then I'm going to make it to like the size of this, because you want to, keep it here, and then you want to size it up to like how big this little pocket of area is. Put it like exactly that. I'm just gonna keep it, just max it out. Okay, I think it's not good because you want it to be just not touching by a little bit. There. Come on, just boom, and just a little bloop, a bloop, and just a little bloop, and then that's done. Then you wanna extrude it up, and with this thing you want to go to modeling, press E, and then make it to like a good size for a mattress, and then like this. Then what you want to do is you want to select all, no wait, not select all. I'm going to quickly do this. I'm just going to select this face, and then go here, and I'm just want to quickly just extrude downwards a bit, make it like this, like a little cool mesh inside. I want to do this for the same for the top. Okay, and I'm just gonna quickly S again, and then I'm just gonna whoop. You don't have to do this actually, it's more just me making it more better, sort of. This is not actually what you need to do. Okay, once it's done, of course, I'm just gonna quickly add a bevel modifier, and what's that? And then I'm gonna put it for like, let's say 7. Shade smooth. Then what you wanna do is I'm just gonna quickly make you wanna add to this collision modifier and make it to like, let's say 100 for that 1000. Okay, and then you want to make a cloth simulation, and then you want to just check it out and look at it. It doesn't look good, does it? Then you want to close it, and then you want to put it in the mattress. So it should be like this. You can look in here so it looks better, and go back. So then what you want to do is you want to go and select the base thing, and you want to choose a side where you're going to be putting like, you know, the little top part. Extrude it upwards. Just extrude how much you want it to be. Put it like this, because it looks fine like this. Perfect. Once that's done, you can check it in the material, and then check if it's okay for you. You can go back, and now we want to add a pillow. To make a pillow is pretty easy. Just do this, size it down a bit, make it a bit smaller because no pillow is that big. And you want to add modeling, and then you want to and then just a little loop cut in the middle. This is the hardest part for me, doing the actual loop cut for some reason. And then just size it up for like the sides part. And once that's done, you want to just select all of that part and then just subdivide. You want to put like 20 for the subdivision. You want to add a cloth simulation, with this cloth simulation, you want to scroll down to the collision, and then, no wait, not collision, field weights, and then you want to put it to 0, the gravity. You want to put it to like the pressure to like 1. And you gotta find your thing actually. I'm just gonna pause it there. I'm just gonna bring it up. Oh wait. Oh, what the heck? Who's that? You wanna find a good size one. Put it for like this. No, I know. A bit more. This is good. What you want to do is you want to convert to mesh. With that, you want to just add a subdivision surface modifier, and then you want to put it to like something like 3. I'm going to put it. No, not the. Yeah, the render. No, 3 for this thing. Sorry, and then 1 for that. Now you've created a pillow. With the pillow, you can put it on here. And I just want to quickly like put it like this. Put a pillow. I'm gonna put it like 1 pillow for like the bed. Okay, all done. And just putting it on more carefully. You can make it collide a little bit with some stuff, so it's like more on it instead of actually floating off of it. Then you want to create the blanket. The blanket is a bit hard, but easy once you understand it. So you want to create a plane, shape it outwards. Make it actually a bit bigger than the actual bed, and you want to move it up, and you want to just add to the mattress real quick. You want to just go in here, and you want collision, friction 100, friction 100, flat, so I want it to stick, okay? Collision, of course, friction 100, and of course friction 100, no. 100, because I want this to be like, you know, stuck on it. And also you want to go to the modeling, and you want to quickly just, this is not important, but you can do it. And I'm gonna do this, so it's like more like cooler. Wait, no, I just wanna just quickly just no, actually I'm gonna keep that. Of course, Shift Control Z. Okay, keep it like that. Now you want to go back. It's good, good. I'm going to add a cloth simulation. I'm going to move it up a bit if I can find it. Okay, I can find it. Really. I'm going to add the gravity 1. Oh wait, where the heck is it? And then you want to move it back a bit. So 1. Press play. Oh, what the heck just happened there? That's what happens if you don't subdivide your mesh. Subdivide 20. Then I'm just gonna quickly press play. It might be a bit laggy for you, but just pause it, and after that, after you find a good spot, I do not know what the heck happened. What thing I'm just gonna do is I'm just gonna quickly grab this extruded part, all of these faces. Gonna grab this, and I'm just gonna scroll. Just gonna grab these. Just gonna delete the faces. Now it's all like this. And you want to just go back to 1, and you want to press play, find a good one, and then check again which one's missing, and then you realize it's this thing because it doesn't have friction. And yep, now you want to go back to that, and you want to press play, pause. You want to pause at like a keyframe right before it's there, so that will be good. Okay, because all I wanted was just that thing, mesh. Go to the modeling section, and you want to find it. this part, and you will just quickly just grab all this extra part, and then you will flip, just to flip it. So it's more like realistic. Okay, grab these and flip it, of course. Oh, I didn't mean that. Just put it down. Flip it. Okay, I'm just gonna grab these parts. I'm gonna select this. Just gonna warp, and then just warp it down. And I'm just gonna grab this. These few squares, just a little whoop, and then push them down. Pull it out a bit. There we go. Now I think that should be good. Yep, look at it, wonderful way. Since you've done that, you want to go in here and you add a modifier and make it a subdivision surface modifier. Put out like a number 3, let's say. Check it out. A model, and then you want to convert to a curve. And I just realized what I've done. Add build. Yeah, now don't change it to a curve, keep it like this. And what you want to do with this, as you can see, it's not very thick, and you want to just select all, just extrude it upwards, so it'd be like this, a little bit thick. And you can like actually just change a few things, make it so it's like actually inside if it's not in there already. Yep, all you can do is that. That's good, I think so. Then once that's done, you can just color it. All we have to do is color it. So go to the coloring, I'm gonna put this for the bed frame for like a darkish gray. Gray. For the pillow, I'm gonna keep it like a red maybe. And for the blanket, like darker gray. Like blackish, sort of. Matches, of course, you gotta color it this. Okay, so done. You have created your bed button, just shade smooth, and then it's done. Your model is finished. But if you want to create one more last thing, sure, I don't really care. This is not an extra, so you can finish the video if you don't want it, but it's going to be a small little thing here. I'm just going to do it quickly as an extra. So push it out a bit, model, subdivide 20 times, extrude downwards. Just quickly, just not do that actually. Keep it like this, and then we'll go back, create a cloth, and check it out. It looks like garbage because it's not on the first frame. And just put the gravity and then just press play. And you realize something's wrong. Of course, scroll back, and then you actually want to add a collision to this thing. 100, I'm going to put at 100, I'm going to put at select 100. Thickness. Then, of course, it does this. I don't know why, and I don't know how. Why the heck does that happen? Okay, then you want to just, ooh, perfect, and then I'm just going to select a frame where it's like here, frame, this is a good one. Just gonna create a subdivision surface modifier. Okay, now just convert to a mesh. Subdivision surface. Put it to like 3, and with this, I'm gonna go to the modeling and extrude it upwards. And it's done. I'm gonna put it to like the exact red color, but not actually red. I'm gonna change it to something else, like a darker red-ish. Okay, so that's how you make one in Blender. Okay. If you want another tutorial on how to make something else, just comment it down below and I'll make it. So make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and without further ado, peace.